Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this outfit from another Cinderella story on Dress to Impress. Removing everything except for the hair. You don't need VIP for this, but you do for the mask. I just realized, I'm sorry. Select this hair in blonde. It's this one here in default. No adjustments made. And then this in only bangs. I don't think I did any adjustments on these. And then also this one in, yeah, I didn't do any adjustments on these hairs in blonde too for that one. And then for the top, I'm going to use the lace top here. Whoops. Like this. And then for the skirt, I am going to use the trendsetter dress in no ruffles in all white. And then I'm also going to be using the mask in just white here and no feathers. And that is it. It's super simple actually to make this one. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.